to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to make this beautiful number 5. This number is perfect for embroidery, so you can attach to your project. The size of this number is approximately 2 inches or 5 centimeters. Of course, it depends on the size of hook you're going to use. And we will need for this number double knit yarn, 3mm crochet hook and scissors. That's all what you will need. We're going to start our number with chain of 18 stitches. Let's do our chain of 18 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. We have a chain of 18 stitches and we're going to start from the second chain. Our first step will be single crochet next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Where is the third stitch? There you are. In the next stitch we're going to do 2 single crochets, chain of 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So let's do our 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, chain of 2 stitches and again 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. In the next stitch we are going to repeat exactly the same. We're going to do 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, chain of 2 and 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2. That's how our number 5 looks now. Till the end of our row we have 12 stitches remaining now, and what we need to do it is 6 decreases. So let's do till the end of our row 6 decreases. Decrease number 1, decrease number 2, decrease number 3, decrease number 4, decrease number 5, and our last decrease number 6. And that our number 5 is almost complete. Looks a bit curly, but when you attach it to your project it looks perfectly fine. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the yarn off and leave long tail for sewing. Gonna pull yarn through our last stitch and we have our number 5 ready. Doesn't want to stay straight. Thank you for watching my short and sweet video tutorial on how to make number 5. If you would like to find videos for more numbers, please check in the description below, where you can find all numbers from 0 to 9. And I hope you will subscribe to my channel and follow me for more videos, and I will see you in my next videos.